Hey guys, it's Natalie. We're about to make dinner again. Tonight we're making a clean keto bacon ranch chicken and rice casserole with cauliflower rice. Here we go. Let's have a look at our ingredients. We have shredded cheese, shredded chicken, Parmesan cheese, grated, garlic, crushed red peppers, diced onions, smoked paprika, crumbled uncured bacon, very important to get the uncured bacon to avoid all the sulfites and nitrates, and riced cauliflower, almond flour, fresh baby spinach, coconut cream, and free-range chicken broth. It's organic, also important, and dill. The dill and the coconut cream, and also we're going to use a splash of apple cider vinegar to create a ranch-like taste, making our own ranch within the casserole. I bought already organic riced frozen cauliflower, and I just heated it up on the stove, and we'll add it into the recipe later. And the almond flour and Parmesan is gonna create a delicious Parmesan crust. Here we go. Once you've sauteed the onions and garlic with some red peppers in them, you slowly mix it into the cauliflower rice and add a few handfuls of spinach and let them wilt as you stir. One way to get these to toss, the oven's ready, is to use a spoon and roll it like this, and it'll eventually start to wilt. In a bowl, combine the chicken, the seasonings, the chicken broth, cheese, dill, bacon, and coconut cream, and also we'll add the mixture for the rice and spinach. But first I want to share an important part of getting the coconut cream out is a lot of the times the thick cream which is what we want, comes to the top of the can, and scoop that out without getting as much of the coconut water that comes at the bottom as you can. Now that we've got the casserole in the dish and the cheese and almond flour mixed up, we'll spread it out evenly over the dish and bake it 350 for 25 minutes. Now it's ready to bake. Serve with tomatoes, avocados if you'd like, and a green like broccoli or green beans, and enjoy.